What's going on, everybody? Pastor Wes here, and I'm here with another Sermon Rewind. This past Sunday, we talked about a very powerful message that God wanted for us to understand, that God can do a lot with ruins. Now, I know in my own personal life, there have been broken relationships and broken pieces and things that have been broken along the way, that somehow God has been able to orchestrate it in a way that He could use it to build me up or to build up the things that I've been either working on or working through. And this past Sunday, I was trying to invite people to understand that you could trust God with the ruins in your life. Don't look at ruins as a negative thing, but instead look at it as a foundation that God can use to rebuild you or to rebuild your life in a way that honors God. You know, the Acts Church, they were trying to figure out how to build this new movement called The Way, and they had to build it on the ruins of old paradigms and old ways of thinking and old perspectives. And sometimes we have to get rid of the things that God is asking us to let go of, allow those things to become the ruins that then God can then build upon and help us to rebuild that which God is helping us to rebuild. And so I'm encouraging you, this week, think about the ways in which God in the past has done that. Taken a broken relationship and turned it in for your good. Taken some of the broken pieces of your own personal life and has built you back up when you felt like you were broken down. There's a lot that God can do with ruins. And if you trust God, then God will help you to shake those old ways of thinking, shake those old paradigms. I think that many of us, if we're being honest, we have some things we've got to let go of in order for God to build upon those ruins. And so I hope that's helpful. If you want to listen to the rest of this message, obviously you know the drill. Go to Priesthood of Believers podcast on Spotify, and you can listen to the entirety of this message. God can do a lot with ruins. We're getting into the season of Lent, and so we are going to start to turn our attention toward the cross. But I hope to see you guys either worshiping with us online or in person right here at First Reformed Church. You guys take care and be blessed.